Imagine waking up one day to find that all the world's oceans have dried up. Now don't panic. This is purely hypothetical. But it's a scenario that's been explored in depth by Dr. James O'Donoghue in a fascinating NASA research. Picture the Earth's landscapes, transformed almost beyond recognition. Our familiar blues and greens replaced by vast expanses of brown and beige, punctuated by deep, dark chasms where the oceanic trenches once lay. This sudden disappearance of our oceans would be jarring, to say the least. The world as we know it, forever altered. The beaches we loved, the fish we ate, the ships that sailed, all gone in an instant. And in their place, a new world, a different world, yet one still rich with potential for exploration and discovery. Dr. O'Donoghue's video gives us a glimpse into this alternate Earth, revealing landscapes unseen by human eyes. Land bridges, hidden beneath the waves for thousands of years, emerge to connect continents. The oceanic ridges, those majestic underwater mountains, rise as the new peaks of our world. But it's not just about the physical changes. It's about understanding our past and pondering our future. These land bridges, for instance, they tell a story of early human migration, of our ancestors walking across continents, following the food and the climate. They give us an insight into our history, into how we became who we are today, and what about our future? What if, in some distant epoch, our Earth does experience another ice age? What if our oceans do shrink, even a little? Understanding these scenarios helps us prepare, helps us adapt. It's a reminder of our planet's dynamism, of our own resilience, and of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Now, let's dive deeper into this scenario and uncover the fascinating changes to our planet. With oceans gone, Earth would reveal secrets hidden beneath the waves. Imagine for a moment a world where the endless blue of the oceans has disappeared, replaced by vast landscapes previously submerged and unseen. It's a drastic shift, isn't it? But it's also a revealing one. The first things we'd notice are the land bridges. These geological formations now hidden beneath the ocean's surface once served as highways for early human migration. The Bering Land Bridge, for instance, allowed our ancestors to journey from Asia to North America during the last glacial maximum. From England to France, there was a land bridge too, now known as Doggerland. The appearance of these bridges would offer us tangible proof of our shared history, a testament to the resilience and adventurous spirit of our ancestors. But it's not just about the bridges. The ocean's retreat would unveil the deepest secrets of our planet, the oceanic ridges. Picture the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a colossal underwater mountain range that stretches from the Arctic Ocean to the southern tip of Africa. Then there's the Marianas Trench, the deepest part of our planet's oceans, a crevice so profound that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, its peak would still be submerged by over a mile of water. The exposure of these structures would revolutionize our understanding of Earth's geography and geological history. You see, the disappearance of the oceans wouldn't just transform our world's appearance. It would peel back layers of history, revealing a planet that is far more intricate, far more interconnected than we could have ever imagined. We'd gain insights into our early history and understand more about our planet's geological evolution. And this is just the beginning. The disappearance of oceans would have far-reaching implications. It's a thought-provoking proposition, isn't it? It's a glimpse into an alternate reality, a reality that might hold the keys to unraveling the mysteries of our past and perhaps our future. Life as we know it would drastically change without oceans. Imagine waking up one day and the vast blue seas have vanished. The world's climate would be in utter chaos. The oceans serve as the world's largest solar panel, absorbing the sun's heat during the day and releasing it at night, helping to distribute heat around the globe. Without them, the temperature differences between night and day would be extreme. Water scarcity would become a dire issue. Oceans are a vital source of rain, as they provide nearly 90% of the world's evaporated water. This water vapor forms clouds that eventually lead to precipitation, quenching the thirst of the land and its inhabitants. Without the oceans, rain would be a rare occurrence, and droughts would become the new norm. But perhaps the most devastating impact would be on marine life. The oceans are teeming with diverse species, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. These creatures rely on the oceans not only for habitat but also for food. Without oceans, we'd witness a mass extinction of marine life, disrupting the food chain and causing unimaginable consequences. Yet all is not lost. In this waterless world, humans and other species might have to adopt new survival strategies. We might rely more heavily on desalination of underground water or develop technologies to extract water from the atmosphere. Animals might evolve to become more resistant to dry conditions, much like desert species. In the face of such drastic changes, we'd be forced to rethink our relationship with nature. We'd have to understand that every drop of water is precious and that every life, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the balance of our ecosystem. But what if this isn't just a hypothetical scenario? What if we're inching towards this reality? Our actions today might be leading us towards a world without oceans. A chilling thought, isn't it? But what does the future hold? If we look to the past, we can find answers. You see, during the last glacial maximum, the sea levels were significantly lower, revealing land bridges that facilitated human migration. It was a world remarkably different than the one we know today. Now imagine this scenario happening again. Another ice age, plummeting temperatures and vast areas of ocean water turning into ice. The sea levels would drop and land masses, hidden beneath the watery depths, would begin to reveal themselves. It's a fascinating yet daunting prospect. But here's the thing, our oceans aren't just vast bodies of water, they're the lifeblood of our planet, playing a crucial role in maintaining Earth's balance. They absorb carbon dioxide, helping to regulate our climate. They're home to an incredible array of biodiversity, much of which we're yet to discover. They're also a source of food and livelihood for millions of people around the globe. So while the idea of a world without oceans may seem intriguing, it's a scenario we should strive to avoid. Our actions today, whether they're related to climate change, pollution, or overfishing, have a direct impact on the health of our oceans, and in turn, they shape our future. It's a future we have the power to influence. And it starts with understanding and appreciating the immense value of our oceans. It's about making conscious choices, about standing up for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. So while a world without oceans offers a fascinating scenario, it's a world we should strive to avoid. Because in the grand scheme of things, our oceans aren't just bodies of water, they're the heart of our planet. And it's our responsibility to ensure they continue to beat strong.